discussed the excretion in different animal, model animal I should say. The first we have discussed the flagellates, which is the Platyhelminthes, and then we discussed about what the excretion in erythroma, which is an annelid. And now we are going to discuss the excretion in cockroach. Okay, cockroach is an insect. We have already discussed this with reference to the excretory products. I told you people that the excretory products of the birds and insects are mainly the excretory products in birds and insects is what, uric acid. You remember? Okay. So here, if it is an insect, its excretory product should be what? What? Uric acid. Okay. How this animal gets rid of uric acid? We have to discuss that. This is its gut. Okay. This is the foregut, and this is what the midgut, and this is the hindgut. This one is what? The hindgut. Okay. The excretory structures in the insects is called Malpighian tubules. Malpighi was a great biologist, and after his name, these structures have been given the name what Malpighian tubules. Between the body wall and the viscera is a space in these animals, and that space is what is known as the coelom. Here is what? The coelomic fluid. This one is what? This is coelomic fluid. It is also known as what? Hemolymph. In these animals, it is called what? Specifically hemolymph. Okay. The hemolymph contains all the nitrogenous waste. Those nitrogenous waste are collected here by these tubules. These are blind at the ends, and they are found floating in the hemolymph. Okay. Now the excretory products, they are collected in these ducts are Malpighian tubules, and as they enter into their lumen, this is their lumen. Okay. Here the excretory products, they are collected, and they enter into the junction of midgut and hindgut. Okay. From here, the nitrogenous waste are given out. They move to the exterior along with the fecal material. Okay. So this is how the excretion takes place in the insect and the model animal which we have studied today among the insects, that is what the cockroach. Okay. Thank you very much.